Welcome back. I know I haven't posted in a minute, but man, the market has just been kicking my ass left and right. We're gonna get into this video real quick, just giving you guys a little rundown on what happened last week trading wise. Long story short, I haven't passed no eval, starting all over again, but it's fine. It's part of the process, right? If you lose, it doesn't matter how bad it is as long as you show up. And it's one of the things that I really want to bring to you guys today. It's one of the core messages. Like, it's something that's been lingering in my mind for the past 2 weeks, and it's no matter what's going on around you, no matter how bad your day has been, your week has been, just keep showing up. And one of the huge reminders that keeps me going, that keeps me pushing up is like, even if I have a bad day, even if like I just can't get out of bed, I remember that I got to where I'm at right now by showing up every single day consistently. No matter how I felt, no matter what I went through, no matter what was going on in my life, I still showed up. It was part of my life. It was a routine. It was something that was non-negotiable. And I really got to tune back in with that mindset. It's it's so crazy to me because I'm literally right here. This is the next step. Like, I'm this close to really be doing this trading shit full time. Like, one of the things I realized was that I was coming from a scarcity mindset, right? I don't like my current situation. If you guys have been watching for a minute, like, I don't like working overnights. I don't like being away from my son that much. And it kills me to sleep during the day, right? And I just been looking for new jobs. I just been trying to figure out something else rather than focusing on the main problem, on the main thing, which is trading. I don't know if you guys are going through the same thing, but it fucking happens. You start to deviate from the purpose, from the process. If I would have locked in last year when I lost my job, it's almost gonna be a year when I lost my job, right? It's about to be a year. That's crazy. But if I would have locked in, I would have said, fuck my emotions, fuck this depression, fuck anxiety, let's fucking go all in. I would have been in a way better position. But at the same time, everything that I went through, everything that I'm going through, me working overnight, allowed me to become the trader that I am today. It's very hard when you have this goal and your world is really pulling you in a different direction when you want to go this way, right? I mean, shit, bro. I'm a dad, and there's a lot of things that I have to do before anything that I want to do. Like, I love to work out. I love to be outside. I love to run. I love to trade. I love to do all these things, make content. But there is literally a fine line between what I can do and what I can't do based upon my work schedule, right? I'm working overnight, so I'm pretty much waking up at around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. I'm working my second job as well. As I'm doing like 3 to 4 hours a day now. And I get home around 1 p.m. I sleep for around 4 or 5 hours. I wake up. I spend a little bit of time with my family, take another nap, and I'm off to work. So I really can't fit nothing in between. I really don't need a back test because I have my strategy set to the fucking T, but I really can't sit down and make a fucking plan. I really can't sit down and brainstorm what I really want to talk to you guys about. I couldn't even clean the fucking car, bro. My car now, it's clean, right? But it was so many things that I was putting aside, and I was just letting them stack up, and eventually, I mean, they became the death of me. Like, I was looking around me and my car was dirty as fuck. My room wasn't organized, my closet, everything. Like, I was just killing myself because I was focusing on the wrong things. I was focusing on everything around me except what I needed to do. I was just in my head 24/7. Like, I'm pretty much like a zombie, bro. I'm up all night working, stalking, doing all that shit. Then I go work another 3-4 hours. I feel like shit when I'm up in the daytime. Then my brain doesn't even know what to do. Like, the first thing when I wake up is like, oh, let me look at the charts. And then that remorse of being a father, and I'm not that present because I'm working 2 fucking jobs to fund my dreams and to fund our vacations. We're gonna go on a vacation soon, but that kicks in too, and it's like, damn, do I look at the charts? Do I backtest? Do I do these little things? Do I brainstorm? Do I record a quick video? Or shit, I spend time with my family? You know, it's those two things that I've been dealing with a lot lately, and it's because I haven't prioritized many things. Yes, my job and all those things get in the way, but it's time for me to stop making excuses, right? I got what I want to show you guys here is like the only reason my handwriting is but the only reason why I got a payout was because I had a set goal, a list. I don't know if you guys can see on top, it says February goals. Get 2 payouts, have 4 more funded accounts. I ended up having 2 accounts. Post consistently. I was posting consistently every Sunday. I had a goal to reach over 900 subs. I didn't reach that goal, but still is the same goal. Regain discipline, build momentum, and just a side note, like, I will win. God is with me. The reason why I got my first payout, the reason why I hit 800 subscribers was because I had a plan, I had a vision board, I had a system. If you guys been watching for a minute, you guys know that I was doing the monthly recaps on my goals, showing you guys since the month started, like, what I'm going to do. I haven't been doing that, bro. Like, ever since I moved here, over a fucking year now, I haven't been doing that. I don't know what it was. I don't know what got into me. I don't know what took away. Like, I don't know where my mind was at that I completely forgot. This is what fucking got me here. Why am I not going back to it? Sometimes you really got to go back to the basics. And it's so crazy to me that discipline, consistency, having a system in place. Like, I'm not even trying to be having this guru talk and all that shit, right? But like, having this shit in place, bro, really gives you a fucking systematic approach. First of all, you're doing things in a matter where like nothing gets in between, and like you're not having second thoughts of like, oh, I didn't do this, regret, you know, like you're not having that, which is something I'm struggling with right now. It's like, okay, I'm working these days of the week, I'm doing these things, but I'm not doing enough on this area, I'm not doing enough here. I say all of this to say that all of that all of those missed opportunities, all of those regrets that I'm having really snowballed into my trading. This whole week I had A+ setups, but the only reason why I blew my eval was because I was literally 5 points away from taking profit on one of my accounts, and I just started adding contracts, bro. I was adding like 5 MES, like I was adding micros just to get to that point, because my target was like, I think it was like 6,805, and ES was like pulling back, and I'm like, oh yeah, we're gonna go higher. My trade, keep in mind, my trade was already like $1,000 in profit. Just had to be patient, lock in that profit, and I was good. I was gonna pass that eval. Long story short, I started adding contracts because I was being so impatient. I was just not in the right mental space. It was almost time for me to go to my second job, so on and so forth. But having those loose ends really was fucking with my trading. Now, it's easier said than done, right? It's currently Sunday, and I understand what I need to do. I know I've been telling you guys I know what I need to do, but I really haven't been applying that shit. Where I want to get at with all of this is that you guys keep me accountable. I'm gonna show up again. I'm dealing with a lot of stress, a lot of, I don't want to say depression, bro, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, it really is so hard on your mental when you have something right there, but you just can't figure out how to lock in. You just can't figure out how to stop messing yourself up, you know? And I'm gonna just show you guys how I bounce back. Like, I'm about to turn everything around. I'm about to make my first ever big month in trading, which I already had last month. I had over $1,700. I'm gonna double that. I'm gonna triple that. I know I'm going further. I know I have a good system. I know that I've been through the ups and downs, and I have what it takes, right? But it's just, I'm not being consistent. I'm not keeping myself accountable. Yes, my lifestyle, what I'm doing is very abnormal, and I need to give credit to myself, right? Because I'm doing so much, right? And the only reason why I'm doing it is because I know I can. And I'm not here to make excuses. Excuses do not exist in my fucking vocabulary, right? I'm good. I'm healthy. I just need to overcome the mental barriers of all of this shit. And it's hard, bro. Trading is a high income skill. Of course it's going to be fucking hard. Of course it's going to be fucking hard. You just got to lock in, tune in, and it's easier said than done. But I'm going to show you guys how the fuck I do it. How the fuck I turn my life around. I've been saying this to myself, but I feel like before, when I was recording the content, I was saying it with you guys. Like, I am successful. I am going to be rich as fuck. I'm going to reach my first 5K month. I'm going to do everything that I set my mind to. I'm going to accomplish all of my goals for March. And I haven't written them down yet, but the goal for March is to have another funded account, to be able to get 2 more payouts, and to reach, I want to say 850 subscribers, right? I just need to be more consistent, just show up a little bit more, and regain my foundation, which is having a systematic approach to all of this. You guys, I don't know if you guys remember my daily planner. I still have that shit. I just look at it, but I don't do nothing. I don't write anything on it. I'm just avoiding the easy things. Once you reach a level of like, oh, I know this, you start to steer away from what got you here. And I'm pretty much knowing the fact that I'm steering away from the basics, the fundamentals, is really I'm really having all of these loose ends, you know? But with that being said, boys, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know that you guys support me. Like, y'all see that I'm going through so many things. Like, I'll be posting consistently, I'm not posting consistently, like I'm just doing all this crazy shit. Trust me, I'm dealing with a lot mentally, but I'm not breaking down. That's one of the biggest things. Like, you can go through a lot of shit, but as long as you don't break down, as long as you keep on showing up every single day, you're winning the fucking battle. It's hard, it's tough. I got someone to impress, I got someone to be there for, and I got dreams too, right? That's the thing about life. The thing about being a parent is, like, you don't learn unless you fuck up. You don't learn right away. You don't, like, when I became a dad, like, I was not aware of everything. I didn't know everything, and I don't know it all. Like, same thing with my parents. Like, I understand them and I forgive them for a lot of things now because it's their first time living. It's my first time living too. And then I'm over here trying to make my business, create my own personal brand, understand how trading works and all these things. And it's like, it's my first time living. I can and I won't have everything down until repetition, and until I have enough reps in order for me to be sure and have a system down. You know, it's all about messing up, trial and error. But at the same time, as long as you keep showing up, as long as you are there every single day, how can you lose? If you show up every day, you take one step forward every day, how are you going to lose? It's not hard. It might seem hard in the moment, but trust me, all of the things I've been through, look at me now, bro. I used to be over 230 pounds, unprofitable, not knowing shit about trading, to now, like, I'm 170 pounds. I look completely different. I have a full ass beard. I look how I wanted to look back then because I stick to the fucking rules. I showed up every day, and even though it was hard, I still showed up. Even though it wasn't consistent, I still showed up. With trading, the same thing. I had so many ups and downs. Emotions were all over the place. So much fucking failure. But now I managed to get my second payout, which was the biggest payout I've ever gotten, bro. And it doubled from the first one. So what tells me I can't get to a next level? What tells me that I can't reach 5K? I know I can. I know it's a marathon. It's not something that I'm going to get quick, but it's something that requires a lot of failure in order to become the best version of myself. And one other thing is, like, you don't have to suffer. One thing that I didn't separate was suffering from failure. Failing does not mean you need to suffer. You don't need to suffer to earn this shit. You need to fail to learn. Now, if you're failing multiple times because you're not learning, eventually you're going to suffer a little bit. But don't think that you need to suffer in order to find success. That's not how it works, bro. Same thing with the working mentality. I need to work harder in order to get more money. No, you don't need to suffer a lot to reach success. Failure and suffering is a complete different thing. But with that being said, boys, I'm going to head to Walmart, It's crazy. I gotta go get some stuff. It's early in the morning. It's 8:53 a.m. I gotta clock in at 10 p.m. Yeah, at night. And it's so weird, bro. Going in to my place of work in the morning while I work at night, it just feels so weird. But I gotta go get some stuff. I'm low on my protein shake. And yeah, that's it for me. I catch you guys in the next one. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know that I'm all over the place with the content and shit, but I'm getting my shit together, bro. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey. I'm done making excuses. We're gonna run it up. Yeah, we're gonna make a shit ton of fucking money. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.